In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the memory feature in Claude so that it can remember all the essential stuff about you so you don't have to repeat yourself. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump right in. I've already logged into my Claude AI desktop version. What I do is to turn on the memory in Claude AI, you will head over to the bottom. On the bottom left hand corner, click on the profile icon of yours and head over to the settings. So this will also record and track your conversation, your writing style, and all the essential stuff that you mention in chats. So if you want to record all of that so that it will make it easier for you to recall things, you will click on the capabilities in the settings. And from here, it says generate memory from the chat history. Allow Claude to remember the relevant context from your chats. This setting controls memory for both chats and projects. You just need to toggle this on. And if you want to import some memory, you can mention it here. My name is Saad. My channel name is Upskill-Education. We can paste all the important stuff about us and click on add to memory, and it will update the memory from here. So here is the memory recorded. Whenever we want to add something in the permanent memory of Claude, even if we remove the chat, we can click on view and manage memory from here, and we will update all of that about us. And also you can tell Claude what to remember and what to forget. Like the example you can see here, I like cats and not dogs. So you can mention all of your preferences from here. And that is how we can turn on the memory feature in Claude AI. So it pulls in automatically all the permanent memory features and bring it along whenever you require it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.